told me about good words. They spoke good words about me. I don't think I deserve all of them except very few. Thank you, sir, for illustrating me in a fitting manner. Thank you.
The word is appropriate of class.
Yes, my esteemed present colleague, because it's not at 5 p.m. And respected colleagues in this university college. And I should say, I'm very happy to receive this kind of hospitality treatment by the respected principal of this college. And also for the others to attend this and say nice words to each other. I am also happy, like anybody else, to be in the college, to be identified with this college, great college and university for several years. Very long years, beginnings like 35 years. It's not a small time. So I've been associated with it. And I'm very proud to be with this university. Was to be university tomorrow. And I'm sure whatever he said applies to me also. And in my view, sincere, I have that satisfaction. And the norms of the UGC, very well followed in my view. The teaching, extension and research. And I thank not only my parents, basically my teachers, all the teachers, and all my colleagues, past, present, and students who had been very supportive and make me what I am today. And I wish everybody great success, whatever endeavors they have in future. And thanks once again. I pray the Lord Almighty to shower His blessings to everybody for your prosperity, your happiness, for your longevity. For your,
His blessings will always it will be there.
Thank you.
No, it's a cup of coffee.
You make it here. I say coffee club. Coffee club.
Yes, very nice.
Very strict college, sir. Because I call your college. My daughter was telling. So it is not your university should be service.
Yes. బాబు దగ్గర నుంచి అమ్మా ప్రిన్సిపల్ గారిని
తీసాను సార్, తీసినాను.
సార్ని అందరినీ ఈరోజు లేదు వీసీ గారు నాట్ అవైలబుల్ ఇన్ క్వార్టర్స్. That was what I was told.
I am thankful to the principal of our college for asking me to say a few words about the and it is very nice meeting that he has arranged this function. But he made very good arrangements for the function. And very proud of him, sir. He has arranged in a very nice manner and in a beautiful manner. And so I hope this tradition will continue and
And more people will retire. Boss.
on the eve of the today's retirement of the teaching staff of the university, because as they were rendering government service to the university, it is the privilege of the university authorities to felicitate them. Dr. V. Damodar Reddy, Department of Geology, SU College of Biological and Earth Sciences. Number 2, Dr. P. Baby Devaki, Department of Home Science, SU College of Biological and Earth Sciences, Tirupati. On 20/11/1975, in the Department of Geology, SU College of Arts and Sciences, Tirupati. The position as a reader in the year 1988, and then he was promoted as a professor in the month of April 1996. Another reputed person of the university, Dr. P. Baby Devaki, was born on 4th February 1947. She passed MSc and PhD. She joined the university as assistant lecturer on 11/10/1971 in the Department of Home Science, SU College of Arts and Sciences, Tirupati. She got many positions in the university as lecturer in the year 1977, and then elevated to the position as a reader in the year 1989, and then promoted as a professor in the year 1996. Her specializations is food science and nutrition in home science. After serving a long period of 35 years, she retired on 28th February 2007 on attaining the age of superannuation of 60 years of SC University.
Registrar Professor Mohan Rao, the felicities Dr. Damodar Reddy and Dr. Baby Devaki, other colleagues from different departments, is highly indebted to Professor Damodar Reddy and Professor Baby Devaki, who are retiring or who have retired already in this month. After very distinguishing service in the departments of geology and home science. Both are personally known to me intimately, and I have been observing, worked with them for several long years. So the association was memorable, and both have very good name as teachers, did some good research work. So on behalf of myself and on behalf of the university as its Vice Chancellor, I pray Lord Balaji to bless them with a very, very happy, peaceful and healthy life after their retirement. The university will remember your services, and I hope in future also we will be having opportunities to meet each other in some occasion or other.
మేడం ఎటు తిరగాలి మేడం? మేడం 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 ఇవ్వండి తీసుకొచ్చి.
Chief guest of today, Dr. Damodar Reddy garu, Professor Damodar Reddy garu, Professor Baby Devaki madam, and all other colleagues who are here today. This is rather unexpected. I am the junior most in the department. All the time I am not very confident about myself, I think, but I should say that we have felicitated Professor Baby Devaki yesterday in the department, and then we talked a lot about her. And then my problem is maybe I'll be either deviating too much or taking away too much of your time. But then any opportunity given to speak about your teacher, number of times also I wish to speak and I like to speak good words about my teacher because they have done a lot to us. And I joined the department in the year 1975 and completed my MSc in 1977. And I know Mrs. Baby Devaki as teacher. Even now I respect her as my teacher only. And this 32 years of long association, we take that we become one of the family. So we knew her getting married to Professor Satyanarayana. We knew her having Gulli Gunnu as a son. We celebrated everything, their birthdays. So we are a family. And losing it, I'm sorry, wrong word, please forgive me. Departing, this departure is rather sad and personal. But as a teacher and as an assistant warden, we used to take her as Junior Miss Reddy. And even our friends, boy friends, used to say those things to us in those days. So never they could approach us and talk to us very long periods of time. Though we maintained our dignity and decorum as expected by our teachers in those days, there were times when we used to have good association with other NSS boy volunteers. Even they used to talk to us about both Professor Reddy and Professor Devaki Madam as mother-in-laws, or some such terms were used. But then we were guided not only in the college but also in the hostel by Professor Devaki, and she gave us a lot of experience, many experiences as a teacher. The first and foremost thing that we look for in a teacher is discipline, and as a student I imbibed that from her, and the credit goes to several other teachers, but along with them Professor Devaki. Only the other associations were ending at the departmental level, but her association, her discipline continued even in the hostels when she was the assistant warden for 7 or 8 years. And then discipline, and then hard work, endurance. She gave us all these qualities and the meticulous training in doing research or laboratory work. I owe it to her. And madam, I promise you that we try to, at least part of it I think I imbibed from you and other teachers. We'll continue to have the traditions of the department, we'll maintain them. We promise you that, and I wish you and your family health, happiness and everything. That's good. Thank you very much, sir, for giving me this opportunity. Thank you.
Dr. Radha.
So I met him on many occasions on personal level, but I never had any bad things or all the interactions were so good. Nothing about the department, no hard words about anybody. I never heard any such things from him. So I take him as a very gentleman to the core, and I wish him.
SU University authorities for organizing this function to felicitate the retiring employees. That is myself and Professor Dev. వాళ్ళందరికీ మా శతకోటి ధన్యవాదాలు. I am happy to say that I am now visual thing, that is a student being felicitated by his own teacher and guide. I am very fortunate in that sense, and I hope in my view nobody had this opportunity so far. I recall once again my teachers, M.G. Chakrapan Naik. Thank you. Dr. Baby Devaki would like to say.
Professor S. Jagam Reddy garu, respected registrar Mohan Rao garu, and teaching, non-teaching faculty members of this university. I think it's my pleasure today to really speak about my teachers. I must thank them at this juncture for having given me this status. I owe whatever I am today, my characteristics to them, because I learned from them all these. And in turn, I think I'm, at least I should say, partly successful in transmitting them. That's after all the duty of the teacher, to transmit such nice qualities to the students in turn, which Well, I should also thank all those vice chancellors who promoted me and gave me positions in order that I could do little more and more and more. But I think I have done all along.
And also this Vice Chancellor who has retired.
Yeah, I'm about to say that. And I especially thank the present Vice Chancellor for giving me a beautiful position of a member, making me a member of Academic Senate Council of this university. Well, that again is a landmark in my career, and I thank him immensely for that. And I must thank all my colleagues because of their support. I could do whatever I could do in the department. Good experiences, interactions, whatnot. All of them helped me in, I should say, for growing in personality. So I must thank finally this university for everything, giving me the education, giving me the livelihood, giving me the status, giving me the personality that I have today. So I'm indebted to this university immensely. So whatever I can do to this university, whenever, I'm sure I'll be in a position to do. Thank you very much.
The registrar will propose vote of thanks.
And on behalf of myself, as even though time constraints, our beloved Vice Chancellor accepting coming over to this function and facilitate the retired persons, because it is the duty, bounden duty of the authorities to felicitate the retired persons who rendered human service for the progress of this university during their life career. And I also expressing my deep sense of gratitude, especially to the Damodar Reddy Garu, because he is personally close intimacy with me, and many more times I went to his home, and I have shared my views with him many more times, and at the same time we were talked about a little bit of experience with the Professor Baby Garu. She was also rendered good service to this university, because I am having close intimacy with her husband, Satyanarayana Garu, and he stood for the betterment of the Weaker Sections Association sometimes, and he was also contributed his much services for the progress of the Weaker Sections Association. In that direction, I am having the close intimacy with the with this couple. Writings in form of the articles. That is our noble profession, we feel, so that we have no retirement, sir. And even after the retirement, it is a good time for us to continue our efforts in the subject. So I thanks all the persons and the media persons here who are gathered here on every name, and I thank you one and all.
Wait.